Welcome to our arithmetic lesson. Students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, we're going to start with counting right away. So I want my boys watching and my boys in the classroom to stand, and let's start at 51 together.
51, 52, 53, 54,
55, 56,
57, 58, 59,
60, 61, 62,
63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69,
70. Stop right there. Have a seat in chair check position. How well did you count with us, students watching? Now, I brought with me today my numbers flashcard, and I don't want the number I put on this card. Instead, I'll either say one more or one less, and you give me the number that follows those directions. Students watching, we'll start with you. One less. And what is our answer, Isaiah?
3,
Oh, he gave me one more. One less means I count backwards. Isaiah, try again.
1,
One is correct. One more, students watching. And Jaden.
3,
Oh, you went backwards. I said one more. I'm going to change my directions. Be listening.
5,
There you go. One more means I count forward. One less. This is a challenge. Jacelyn.
0,
Fast answer. I like that. One more. Kyle.
1,
One less. Bailey.
4,
Now, here's a challenge. Two more. Did you know it, students watching? Think about what that means. And what is our answer, Jed?
5.
Yes, because 3 plus 2 equals what, Jed?
5,
Fantastic. Let's do another one. Two more. Have some smiles, students watching. Did you get it already? Brock.
4,
4 is it because 2 plus 2 equals what, Brock?
4,
Nice job. Same card, 2 less. This one we haven't talked about, but do you know it? Hannah S.
0,
That's it. 2 minus 2 equals what, students watching? And what is that answer, Jacelyn?
0,
We'll be talking about that in a future lesson. I'm glad you already knew that answer. Now, I brought with me today some combination cards, and these combination cards, I think students watching, they're too tricky for first grade. So probably I should just put these down. And you think we could handle subtraction? We could do takeaway combinations? Students watching, we're going to start with this one. You get the first card. And what is our answer, Willow?
3,
That was a fast answer. Next one, Jed, love
4.
those eyes. Wow. Did you hear that, students watching? He was so fast, I didn't even stop talking. I want them to hear your answer. Jed?
4,
Wow, good for you. This one right here, Kyle, I like that smile.
2,
That's it. When we subtract, we count backwards. Next one is this one, Leah.
1,
Fantastic job. Jaden K has a smile. What is it?
0,
Good for you. She saw the minus. That means take away. That means go backwards. Now I'm putting these down and I'm moving over to addition. How are we going to do with our addition card? Students watching, we're going to play a really fast addition game. I want you to join us too. Your job, students watching, is to be faster than anybody in my classroom. So when I show this card, you see how quickly you can answer. Remember, only one answer, no shouting, no screaming. We're going to start with Jed and we're going to start with Jaden K because they've been fast with their answers already. Wait till I flash the card to the front.
5,
Jed was first. Jaden, you knew it. That's what's important. Jed stays standing versus Kendra. Students watching, how are you doing?
4,
He was faster, one more, and he's a champion versus Kira.
2,
He got it. Jed is a champion. Yay, Jed. Fantastic. Students watching, were you a champion with Jed also? Stand up, Hannah A versus Kyle.
1,
Ooh, that was a tie. Try another one.
3,
That was another tie. Are they going to be champions against each other? One more.
3,
Little bit faster from Hannah A. Kyle, you are so fast. Every time in Hannah A, you're already a champion. You got 3 in a row. Have a seat. Good job. How did you do with those, students watching? Let's have Hannah S. versus Benjamin Tyson. I like those eyes.
4, 3, 3,
Students watching, did you know the answer? Benjamin, what is it?
3,
I'll give it to you. That was your only answer. Hannah S. Have a seat. Benjamin stays standing versus Willow.
2,
She got it first. Willow stays standing. Willow versus Tyson.
4,
4 was the right answer. What, 0 plus 4, Tyson?
4,
4 is, and Willow stays standing. Willow versus Brock.
1,
He was faster. Brock stays standing. Brock versus Jacelyn.
5,
5, Brock was faster versus Bailey. Is he going to be a champion? Stop. Nobody answers. Students watching. No, it's for students watching. I'm going to give our students watching another one. There we go. They got it. What's our answer, Xavier?
4.
Fantastic job. And this is for Brock Bailey and our students watching.
5.
A little bit faster from Brock. He's a champion. Fantastic. Now, listen to what I need. I need a little bit of help at the front of this room. Come up quickly because Isaiah, your eyes have not left mine. Come stand right here. Shoulder to Isaiah is Kendra. Let's have Jason. Let's have Jaden Kay. Let's have Rio. Let's have Xavier. Ooh, they're coming up fast. What about this, those students watching? Are they smiling at you? Do they look nice and neat, students watching? We're so glad to have you with us in our arithmetic lesson. I need Tyson to come share his smile right here. I need Jaden L to come share her smile. Ooh, we have a lot of people at the front of this room. I wonder, could somebody count really quickly and tell me how many people I have? And how many people do I have at the front of the room, Bailey?
8.
I have 8, but I want 10. Do I have enough? Come up to the front, Bailey. How many people do I have now, students watching? I had 8. I added 1 more. What's 8 plus 1? What's our answer, Jed?
9.
I have 9. Is that the same as 10, Jed?
No.
How many more do I need?
1.
I need 1 more. Jed comes up. 9 plus 1 equals what, students watching? And what does 9 plus 1 equal, Hannah S?
10.
It does equal 10, but guess what? I gave you counting numbers. I don't want us to do counting numbers. Instead, I want us to do number of position, which is ordinal numbers. So right here, Isaiah is not 1. What's his number of position, Kira?
First.
That's it, all the way down here. Look at how far I have to walk, students watching. I am already running out of energy. I'm coming down to Jed. He's not 10, but students watching, what's his number of position? His ordinal number is what, Jed, do you know?
10.
Fantastic job. Now, students watching, boys and girls in this classroom, are you ready to count our ordinal numbers, our numbers of position? What am I going to start with, Benjamin?
First.
And I'm going to count to what, students watching? And what am I going to count to, Willow?
10.
10th is just right. Let's count together.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th.
All right, now students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, I didn't tell the people in my ordinal number line that they were going to have to remember where they are, but I hope they felt my hand touch their head when we got to their number of position, because I have some instructions for them. Are you ready? Those are the front students watching. You keep your eyes on them. You give our students watching a smile. Here's what I want. I want the second child to smile at our students watching. And yes, it's who? Who's our second child? Say your name, please.
Kendra.
It's Kendra. Fantastic job. I want the fourth child to jump up 1 time. And that's it. Good job, Jaden K. I want the 10th child to touch his nose. Excellent job, Jed. And those are the front kid have a seat students watching. They did a good job with their ordinal numbers. Now, I want everybody to have a chance to count our ordinal numbers. So stand up. First, touch your head. Second, touch your shoulders. Third, find your toes. Fourth, stand up straight and tall. And fifth, give me a smile. You ready? Let's start with first together.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th.
Fantastic job. Prepare for speed drill. Quickly and quietly moving those chairs. Now remember what we do on our second day of our speed drill. So you can have that pencil in your hands and you are ready to start writing. Lucas, thank you for being such a nice gentleman. I'm going to switch with you. Table 3, be nice and fast. I've got some very happy boys and girls in this classroom. We've been working hard on our combination, students watching. Boys and girls in our classroom, what do you think? Is it worth the work? It is, isn't it? On your marks, pencils in the air. Get set, quietly turn your paper over, put your finger at number 2, that elephant, go. Take your time to get them right. Good, Rio's being fast but accurate. I like how Leah is using her extra hand to cover. She's being a wise worker. Good, Kendra. Nice and neat, looks good. Now remember, if you finish up early, I want you to take the time to check. Make sure that these are correct. Pencils inside your table. Put your finger at row number 1, house number 1. Did you notice at the bottom of our speed drill that they were not plus combinations? I hope so. We're really working on those. First row going across, I want combination and answer Jacelyn in a nice, loud, clear voice.
1 plus 0 equals what?
Stop right there, Jacelyn. That's exactly what I wanted. Did you hear her? Students watching, did you hear how well she did it? Start again one more time, Jacelyn.
1 plus 0 equals what? 0 plus 4 equals 4. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5.
Now, you did a great job, Jacelyn, but students watching, I had some boys and girls in this classroom who forgot to check with their fingers. So put your finger at that first house. Jacelyn, do it one more time. Go all the way across for us. Jacelyn?
1 plus 0 equals 1. 4, 0 plus 4 equals 4. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5.
Our second row going all the way across, combination and answer. Read that for us, Kendra.
2 plus
Oh, we can't hear you. Start again.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
4 plus 1 equals.
5.
3 plus 2 equals.
5.
1 plus 1 equals.
2.
And Xavier, take care of our last two combinations.
4 minus 1 equals 3. 1 minus 1 equals 0.
You got it. Now quietly turn these papers to the front. Pass your papers in and quietly turn your chairs. We're ready. Looks good. Table 1 might be one of my fastest tables. Good job, table 5. Students watching, how well did you do with those subtraction combinations? Thank you. Isaiah is already ready to go. Fantastic, Isaiah. Isaiah, come up to the front and stand right now. You're going to be one of my first helpers. Thanks, Bailey. Looks good. Tables 2 and 3, I'm ready. Good for you. Now, I have to tell you a story about Isaiah. Are you ready for this story? Here's what the story is. Isaiah worked very hard at home. And because he worked so hard at home, his mom did something. His mom gave him some money. In fact, Isaiah did such a good job while he was working. His mom said, Isaiah, you're such an industrious worker. I'm going to give you 3 pennies. So she gave him 3 pennies. But then Isaiah realized something. Kira, come up to the front of the room. He realized that his friend Kira needed 1 penny, so he gave her 1. Now Kira has it. How many cents does Isaiah have left? Let's look and listen one more time. Isaiah worked really hard, so his mom gave him 3 pennies. But his friend Kira needed 1 penny. He gave it to her. How many cents does Isaiah have left and why? I have some smiles already. Help me out. What do I need to write inside my box? What do I start with, Jacelyn? Pretty small. Good job, Jaden K.
2.
Oh, think about it. How many pennies did he start with? He started with 3. How many pennies did he give to Kira?
1.
He gave 1, so am I going to say plus or am I giving away?
Giving away.
I'm giving away, so I'm going to say minus, and 3 minus 1 equals how many pennies does he have left? Count backwards. One. Number 2 is correct. And what needs to go in this box right here, students watching?
2.
And Jacelyn got it just right. Thank you very much, Jacelyn. Jacelyn, come up to the front of the room. Isaiah and Kendra, thank you very much. You can take those pennies back to your seat. Jacelyn was walking one day, and while Jacelyn was walking, she found 4 pennies. She put them in her pocket, but guess what? She had a hole in her pocket, and she dropped a penny. How many pennies does Jacelyn have left, and why? When Jacelyn went walking, she found 4 pennies and put them in her pocket. 1 penny fell out. How many pennies are left and y. Come up right now, Rio, and fill in our story problem boxes. Students watching, what is our combination that Rio needs to fill out? And Willow, what's our combination?
4 plus.
Oh, not plus. We're taking away.
4 minus 3.
Oh, not 3. How many fell out?
1.
There you go. 4 minus 1 equals
3.
3 is correct. And students watching, what is going to go in our answer box? What is 4 minus 1? And Kendra, what is Rio going to write? How many pennies does Jacelyn have?
3.
She does. What is 4 minus 1, students watching? And what is it, Hannah S?
3.
I go to the backwards number. Thank you, Jacelyn. You can take that back to your seat. And Rio, fantastic job filling that all the way in for us. Thanks for your hard work. Now, I am going to need some help at the board in just a moment. But first, I want us to do something. Students watching and boys and girls at your seats, I want you to imagine you're Isaiah. Pick up 3 straws. Remember what Isaiah's mom gave him. Now, I want you to take away 1. Put 1 down. How many are left, Tyson?
2.
Because 3 minus 1 equals, Tyson?
2.
It does. Put your straws down. Now we're going to be like Jacelyn. Pick up 4 straws. We're going to imagine we found 4 pennies like Jacelyn. Jacelyn, how many pennies fell out of your pocket?
1.
Put 1 straw down. You had 4. You lost 1. How many are left, Jed?
3.
3 is correct. Put your straws right back as your name tag and turn your chair to face your table. Now, I'm going to do something, students watching and boys and girls in this classroom. I am going to show you 1 combination dot card. I want you to give me the combination you see and its twin. Write it right on your paper. Go ahead. Give me this combination and give me its twin. Good. Kendra's really being careful. Jaden K's eyes are right where they belong. Think about everything you need to write. Don't write just a number. Give me the entire combination. All right, students watching, tell us, what is the first combination you wrote? And what was your first combination that you wrote, Kyle?
2 plus 1 equals 3.
That's correct. And what was the twin you wrote, students watching? And what was the twin you wrote, Leah?
3.
Oh, look one more time.
1 plus 2 equals 3.
You got it. Next one, write this combination and its twin. Students watching, you do the same. Fast smile from Jacelyn. Jacelyn, what was the first combination you wrote?
2 plus 0 equals 2.
And its twin was what, Willow?
0 plus 2 equals 2.
Very fast, nice job. Put your mini sheet pencil at your name tag. Turn your chair to face the front. I need some more helpers at the board. Students watching, I hope that you've been answering all of these questions correctly. Fast smile from Hannah S. And Hannah S., I like how quietly you turn your chair. Hannah S., come up to the front for us right now. Students watching, I'm going to call in some people to come to our chalkboard, and I wrote some numbers in the middle, but I want to see if they know the number that comes right before and the number that comes right after. Hannah S. is going to start with our first number in green, and right behind Hannah S., I'd like to have Kendra. My next team is going to come stand right on this side. Xavier, you're going to get us started. She'll hand the chalk to you when she's done. And behind Xavier, we are going to have Benjamin. Write the number that comes right before and the number that comes right after. While they're doing that, I want some more help with some combination dot cards. So students watching, you help me with combination dot cards. And Jaden K, what's this first one?
0 plus 4 equals 4.
That's it. Now give me its twin, Bailey. Bailey, I like those eyes on me.
4 plus 0 equals 4.
Fantastic job. What about this one right here, Kyle?
1 plus 0 equals 1.
And give me its twin, students watching. And what's its twin, Jed?
0 plus 1 equals 1.
Oh, this one's a tough one. Students watching, do you already know this one? Tyson is ready. Tyson.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Now, Tyson, I'm going to turn this around. Do I have a twin for this combination?
No.
Why not?
Because it's the same.
It's the same. It's a double. Here's another combination I need some help with. Leah, like those eyes, what's my combination?
1 plus 1 equals 1.
1 plus 1 equals?
1 plus 1 equals 2.
Nice. And Leah, I want to turn this to get its twin. Is that possible?
No.
Why not?
Because it's a double.
It is a double, students watching. I hope you remembered about our doubles. We are ready to check our work on the board. Isaiah, I have to tell you something. I want you to check our very first numbers. Lucas has his eyes right on me. Wonderful, Lucas. Students watching, what do you think? Don't you think they did a good job writing neatly? Stand up, Isaiah, and Isaiah, read our first set of numbers for us. What's this first number say? Hannah S., why don't you help us and tell us the number you wrote?
19.
There you go. Isaiah, if we look over here at our chart, here's the number 19. What comes right after it, Isaiah?
20.
20, and then Isaiah will move back here, and you finish with our last number.
21.
21 is correct. Let's check our next set of numbers. Jaden K., stand up and read this number.
35.
Keep going.
36. 37.
Nice work. Oh, here's our next set of numbers. Bailey, stand up and count for us.
9, 10, 11.
Oh, our students watching couldn't hear you. They have no idea what you said. Say it again.
9, 10, 11.
That's absolutely right. And our last set of numbers right here. I've got so many smiles. Students watching, have you already checked these numbers? Here we go, Jaden L. Start counting for us.
17, 18, 19.
That's it. 17, 18, then 19. Prepare for mini sheets. We're doing a lot of work on our papers today. Now, we're going to do something just a little bit different today. Here's what I want you to do. I'm going to give you some sets of numbers. When I tell you the sets of numbers, I want you to write those numbers together. So make them into a set. Here we go. Here's your first set of numbers. Write the number 11. Now, right next to it, write the number 5. Give yourself a little bit of space because they're different numbers. Now, let's check. I'm going to put 11 and 5 up, and you make sure that your numbers look just like mine. Now, here's the next set. Let's do some more like that. Write the number 4. Now, write the number 6. Now, write the number 21 and write the number 12. Now, write the number 30 and write the number 29. Now go back to your very first set with the 11 and the 5. Here's what I want you to do. Circle the number that is greater and underline the number that is less. Do that right on your paper. Now here's my question. Students watching, which number did you circle? And which number did you circle, Isaiah?
11.
Why?
Because it's more than 5.
It is. It's a bigger number. So what did he do to the number 5? And Jaden K., what did you do to the number 5? What'd you put underneath it?
A line.
A line is it. We underline it because it's less. Go to your next set of numbers of 4 and 6. Circle the greater, underline the less. Fast work from Lucas. Good job. Now let's check our work. Which one did you circle, Kyle?
6.
6 is correct. Why did you circle 6, Kyle?
Because it's the bigger number.
It is. And students watching, what did you do to the number 4? And what did you do to the number 4, Brock? Help us out, Bailey. What did you do?
Underlined it.
I called on Bailey. Bailey, what did you do?
Underlined.
Yes. Underline that 4. Go to your next set of 21 and 12. Circle the greater. Underline the less. We're ready to check our work. Which number did you circle, Tyson?
21.
21 is correct. And why did you choose 21, Tyson?
Because it's the bigger number.
It is. Which number did you underline then, Lucas?
4.
Oh, think about it, Lucas. Look at your numbers of 21 and 12. Which one is the less number?
12.
12 is what you underline. Do the last set by yourself. Circle the greater, underline the number that's less. And Hannah A., which number did you circle?
30.
Why?
Because it's the bigger number.
It is. And students watching, what did you do to 29? What did you do, Willow?
Underline it.
That is correct. You should underline that 29. Mini sheet and pencil at your name tag. Turn your chair to face the front. Fast obedience from Tyson. We are going to talk about something special today. And the something special we're going to talk about is something called a graph. Now, you might have seen a graph before. Sometimes a graph can be a circle. Sometimes a graph can be just a line. But today, our graph that we have is called a bar graph. The first thing I want you to notice about our bar graph, and every graph has a title. Just like a story has a title to tell us what the story is about, our graph block is going to tell us exactly what our graph is about. So students watching, can you see my title at the top of this graph? And I think I am excited about the title of this graph, aren't you? What is the title of this graph, students watching? And Jason, what does it say?
Happy birthday.
It does say happy birthday. Now, students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, I have some kind of sad news for you. Are you ready? We're not celebrating any birthdays right now, today, in this lesson. But we're going to talk about everybody's birthday in our happy birthday graph, because this graph is going to show everybody sitting in this classroom right now when their birthday is going to be. Now notice something. We saw the title, and the title tells me what it is about. So this is going to be a graph about everybody's birthday in this classroom. Notice the sides right down here. Because it's about birthday and birthday months, I have all of the months of the year. But down here at the bottom, can you see these numbers? These numbers are going to tell me how many birthdays I have in every single month. So why don't we start at the beginning? You can notice how many birthdays I have by how far across I go on my graph. How many birthdays do I have in the month of January, students watching? And how many birthdays do we have, Isaiah?
3.
We do. Notice what Isaiah did. He could have just counted the pictures. That would have been an easy way. He could have gone 1, 2, 3, and there we go. But he also could have gone across to this last line that's filled in. And if we go all the way down, do you see what happens? Do you see what number I ran into? What number is that, Bailey?
3.
3 is correct. Now let me choose another month. Let's go to the month of November. How many birthdays do we have in the month of November, students watching? And how many birthdays do we have in this month, Jade and Kay?
0.
Why do you say 0? Is there anything filled in?
No.
No, there isn't, so that's why it's 0. Now let's do something fun with our birthday graph. We can see all of the different months, can't we? And we can see how many people have a birthday in this month. So let's do this. If I call your name for your month, I want you to stand and you're going to show us why our birthday graph is true. So let's start with our first month of January. Right now, Kira, Kendra, and Benjamin stand. And how many birthdays do we have in the month of January, Jed?
3.
We can see 3 on our graph, and we have 3 people standing. Wonderful, you can have a seat. Right now, we're moving on to February, our next month. I want Tyson and Jaden K to stand. How many birthdays are in the month of February, Jaden L?
2.
2, and we have 2 on our graph and 2 people standing. You can have a seat. For now, we're going to move on to March. I'd like Jacelyn to stand. How many birthdays are in March, Jacelyn?
1.
It's just you, and we have just 1 on our birthday graph, and we can go down here to see. Next, I'd like Hannah A to stand. We're looking now at the month of April, and how many birthdays are in April, Hannah A?
1.
And it's just Hannah A who has a birthday in April. Next, I would like Rio and Xavier to stand. Rio and Xavier, we're looking at your birthday month of May, and students watching, how many people have a birthday in May in this classroom? And how many people is it? Willow?
2.
I have 2 on my graph, and I have 2 right down there, and I have 2 men standing. You can have a seat. Now let's move to the month of June. I want Kyle and Cooper to stand. How many birthdays are in the month of June, Cooper?
2.
2 is it. I have 2 on my birthday graph, and 2 boys were standing. Now I've got a lot of people to stand up for our month of July. Are you ready? Hannah S., Isaiah, Jed, and Leah. How many people had a birthday in the month of July, students watching? And how many people are standing up right now, Kendra?
4.
4 is it. You 4 can have a seat. Let's move on to August. I want Jaden L. and Lucas to stand up for August. And Lucas, how many people have a birthday in August?
2.
2 is it, and I have 2 on my graph. Next is September. Nolan, stand up. And Nolan, how many people have a birthday in September?
1.
1 is correct. Now is October. Bailey, stand up. Bailey, how many people?
1.
That's it. I have 1 box filled in, or I can see the one down here. Oh, how many people am I going to have stand up for November? What do you think, Leah?
0.
Can I tell you a secret? I could have put one right here. Do you know why? My birthday is in November, but only the people who are sitting got to stand for our birthday graph, and you can see students watching, I'm standing, aren't I? Let's look at our last month right here. It's the month of December. Willow, stand up. And Willow, how many people have a birthday in December?
1.
1 is it, and it's Willow. Let's look at this graph really quickly because a graph can help us read and know information quickly. Look at this and tell me, which month has the most birthdays? Find the month that goes across the farthest, and what is it, Kendra? It's called July. What is it?
July.
July is correct. Which month has the fewest number of birthdays? Which month is it, Bailey?
Yours.
Mine, which is November, and I didn't put mine up because I'm not sitting. So again, a graph, it will help us find information quickly. It has a title, and then we have to find out exactly how many fit to meet that title. Prepare for arithmetic. Turn your chair. Have out that arithmetic paper. Now, while we're doing that, I have a secret code on my board, and I'm going to call up some people to come fill in our secret code. Our first word is right here. I need Rio. He's ready to go. Rio, come take this chalk right now. For the second letter, put in the letter I. Let's find out what our picture is going to be. Now, let's go back to our paper while Rio is filling this out. Let's start counting from 1 to 30. Students watching, join us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Fantastic. Benjamin, come up. Take the chalk. I heard you counting so well. Benjamin, here's our next part of our clue. Third letter, R. So find the third space, put the letter R, and let's check our subtraction combinations. Lucas, you be ready to give answers. 1 minus 1 equals Lucas.
0.
2 minus 1.
1.
3 minus 1.
2.
4 minus 1.
3.
5 minus 1.
4.
Fantastic. Lucas, come up. Lucas, take our chalk. I want you to find the fifth letter and write T in that space. Let's continue checking. We have some after numbers. First one, what comes after 25, Willow?
26.
38.
39.
56.
57.
Good. Willow, take that chalk. I want you to find the first letter and put F. Let's continue checking on this paper. 16, Kendra. What comes next?
17.
72.
73.
29.
30.
Excellent job. Now, Willow, first letter F. So go all the way to the beginning. Kendra, yours is this, fourth letter S. Now, let's continue checking. 92, Jed.
93,
41,
42,
64.
65.
Excellent job. Now, Jed, come on up here. There's something we have to fix really fast, students watching. Good, just put your letter S. Nice and neat. Are you noticing the neat writing we have on this board? Now, fifth letter is T, so we're going to do something. I'm going to fix that with the letter T. Can you see the first word we have, students watching? Do you know what this says? Now, I'm going to move these down so we can get our next word correct. And Jed, you're in charge of starting our next word. Here we go. He's going to use his ordinal numbers. Next one, fifth letter E. While he's doing that, let's check our money on our paper. Students watching, how many pennies did I have for the first set? And Hannah asks, how many cents?
5,
That's it. Go ahead and check our last one, Hannah.
4,
Wonderful job. Hannah, take the chalk from Jed, and your clue is this second letter, R. Turn your paper to the back, pencils in your hand. Students watching, have you figured out what our special clue is so far? Now, here's what we're going to do. I am going to show you some combinations for number 1. When I show you the combination, I want you to write the answer in the box I say. Are you ready? Box A. Write just the answer. Box B. Box C. Box D. Box E. Box F. Now, let's quickly check our work. Have your pencil down, finger ready to check. 3 plus 2, students watching. And what's 3 plus 2, Kyle?
5,
Great. 1 plus 4, Leah.
5,
3 plus 0. Help us out, Jed.
3,
1 plus 3, Isaiah.
4,
2 plus 2, Brock.
4,
And 0 plus 5, Bailey.
5.
Good for you. Pick up your pencil. Let's go to number 2. Number 2 says start at the left and circle the 4th pretzel. So find where the left is and circle the 4th pretzel. Good. Students watching, I'm going to show you Lucas's paper. He has a very neat circle, and he started at the left, and he circled the 4th pretzel on his paper. Looks delicious, Lucas. Now, let's go to number 3. Number 3 says, mark the circle under the number that is greater. If I whisper a clue in your ear, I want you to go up to our board. Hannah A., come here. I want you right there to write the letter G. Good. Filling that number that's greater. Find the bigger number. Good, Rio. Nice, neat circles for Jaden. All right, let's check our answers. Pencils down. Go to that first box in green. Which one was the greater number, Jaden K?
15,
Now, what's the yellow one, the greater number, Jaden?
43,
And the last one, which one is greater, Jaden?
27,
Nice for you. Jaden, I want you to come up to the front. And Jaden, I want you right here to put the letter A really fast. Third letter A. Now let's go to number 3. Number 3 says write the addition facts. Do the combination, do its twin. Quick, 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 quick. We want to know these fast. Nice, neat numbers from Kendra. Good job. The whole combination. Hannah S., last person. Right here, 4. Our 4th letter, right D. Now let's really fast check these combinations. Jaden L., our first combinations, give me the combination and its twin. Students watching, check your work.
2 plus 3 equals 5,
And its twin,
3 plus 2 equals 5.
Wonderful job. Now let's check our last set of combinations. Leah.
1 plus 3 equals 4.
And
3 plus 1 equals 4.
you got it. Now, in a moment, I'm going to have you go to number 5, and you're going to count up those pennies and find out how many cents. But first, pencils down. Let's check our secret clue. We got a little bit mixed up, but I think we got it right. Can you see it, students watching? It's the grade you're in. What grade are we in, Jed?
First grade.
First grade is it. And students watching, you'll continue working on this paper with your on-site teacher.